Welcome everyone to this lesson on chemical equation. What is a chemical equation? It's a symbolic representation of a chemical reaction. Ako ni Bisayon, symbolic meaning nagamit siya og letter symbols o kaha numbers to represent a certain chemical reaction. So instead nga masuwat kag nitrogen, for example dire. Nitrogen reacts with hydrogen to form ammonia. Iba shortcut way of writing the chemical equation. Gamit na siyang letter symbol for nitrogen which is N. Ya kay diatomic man siya mo ng N sub 2. Reacts with, nagamit siyang plus sign. Okay, that's reacts with ang iyang pagbasa na added or mixed with hydrogen. Hydrogen ang iliya element symbol H man. Capital letter H. With a subscript of 2 kay diatomic siya. It exists having 2 atoms. Always. Yields, forms, or produces ammonia. So si ammonia, iyang chemical symbol is NH sub 3. The one found on the left side of the arrow, these are the reactants. The one found on the right side of the arrow is or are the products. Here we have only one product. That's NH3 or ammonia. Now, in a chemical equation, it's very important to identify how many atoms of the elements are or compounds found on the reactants and on the products. Actually, bisag compound na, you have to identify the elements comprising a compound ug how many atoms are there in the elements making a compound. For you to take a look whether the equation, chemical equation is balanced or unbalanced. For example, in this equation, nitrogen that reacts with hydrogen forms ammonia. The reactants, we have the nitrogen as an element and hydrogen. How many atoms? Yes, subscript 2. Sa ato pa si nitrogen has 2 atoms. 2 atoms of nitrogen. Then hydrogen, how many atoms are there? 2 gyapon, kaya subscript kay makita nimo klaro kayo 2. Kung nanay coefficient ha, imo na i-multiply ang subscript ug ang coefficient. Nya wala man, automatic na nga 1 ra na. 1 times 2, that's 2. Dari na punta sa products. Same arrangement lang ha. You have nitrogen and hydrogen. Tanawa, ammonia, NH sub 3. Nitrogen, how many? Wala siya subscript, meaning it has only 1 atom. Hydrogen, na siya subscript nga 3, meaning 3 atoms of hydrogen is present on the reactants. If we're going to take a look, we have unbalanced chemical equation since the number of atoms in the reactants and products are not equal. Ang sa amin diri ang not equal. Si nitrogen in the reactant has 2, while in the product it has 1. Si hydrogen in the reactants has 2, while in the product it has 3. Kunya, why do we have to balance the chemical equation? We have to balance it to follow the law of conservation of mass. Okay, mo man ang law of conservation of mass. Ang number of atoms sa reactants and products are equal. Or the mass of the reactants is equal to the mass of the products. That's why we have to balance. And how do we balance a chemical equation? How do we balance the chemical equation? You have to identify the number of elements. I mean the number of atoms of each element in the reactants and in the products. Kaning mo na to, i-identify na nato ganina. Sa reactant, si nitrogen has 2 atoms, si hydrogen has 2 atoms. Sa products, si nitrogen has 1, si hydrogen has 3. Dili siya balance, meaning we have to do something. How will you balance? By adding coefficient. A coefficient can only be added before the element symbol or before the compound symbol. Dere. Diha, saka na ako ang ipangbutangan og blank. Diha ra ka pwede magbutang og coefficient. And what is a coefficient? It's a number added before the element or a symbol of a compound. So it's 2 or more. Di na ka magbutang og coefficient nga 1. Kaya kung nga na lang siya, as is na siya, understood na nga, iya coefficient 1. Kana iya coefficient 1. Kana iya coefficient 1. Meaning, para maging visible yung coefficient, you will only use a number greater than 1. Okay? Now, we have this problem. So, ano mo pag-balance? Balancing chemical equation is done by trial and error method. You have to analyze, examine the reactants in the products in terms of the number of atoms. Tanawan ni mo kasi mas dali ni mo mabalance. Dire, nitrogen ba ka o si hydrogen? You start with the least number of atoms. So, asa man ang least number of atoms? Dire si nitrogen 1. Dire kay 2. So, man mo pag himog 2 ni nitrogen para magkabalance siya sa number of atoms sa reactant. Put coefficient. Pila man 2. So, kung butangan ni mong 2 diha, imo na siya i-multiply ni 2 times 1. May subscript si nitrogen, so 2 times 1 na. Meaning, ang bago ni mong number of atoms for nitrogen is 2. While for hydrogen, 6. Imo na i-distribute how? When you put a coefficient, you have to distribute that to your subscript of the element. So, 2 times 1, 2 times 3. Unang 2 ng imong nitrogen atoms and 6 ng imong hydrogen atoms. Next, you have a problem on the hydrogen atom. 6 naman ay ang bagongan number of atoms in the product. There are 6 atoms of hydrogen. Balance na imong nitrogen, pero ang imong hydrogen ang dili balance. It remains unbalanced. Sama kay mo coefficient imbutang ni hydrogen to have 6 atoms. So, 6 divided by 2, ano rin na? Meaning, 3 ang imong ibutang 3. You put 3 as a coefficient of hydrogen. Now, ang imong new atom of hydrogen is 6. While nothing changed, walay na bago ni nitrogen. So, 2 lagi hapon na. And this time, the equation is balanced. Diba? Nitrogen, 2 atoms siya. Product, 2 atoms sa si nitrogen. So, reactant, hydrogen has 6. Kaya 3 times 2, you have 6. Then here, in the product, 2 times 3 atoms of hydrogen is 6. The equation is now balanced. Yung anak ra ha? Inyo na siya i-examine ang chemical equation. Una, isuwat ang elements in terms of the number of atoms of the reactants and then number of atoms in the products. Then, try to add a coefficient. Dili ka pwede mag-add a coefficient in between the element symbol comprising a compound. You can only add before the symbol of a compound or before the symbol of the element. Kuha kanara sa akong mangipang blangkuhan na area.